In this video, we will graph the function f of x equals x to the 3 halves. Recall, we can rewrite our function as f of x equals the square root of x cubed, because x to the 1/2 power is the square root of x. Using this, we will graph f of x equals the square root of x cubed. To see the whole graph, let's start with some points. And keep in mind that because of the square root, we can only look at values of x that are bigger than or equal to 0. As we've done before, we can find points by picking x values and finding what f of x should be. To start, let's look at x equals 4. F of 4 is the square root of 4 cubed. And the square root of 4 is just 2, so we have 2 cubed, which is 8. This means that 4, 8 is a point that we can put on our graph. Now if x is 1, then f of 1 is the square root of 1 cubed, but the square root of 1 is just 1, which when we cube it is 1 as well. So 1, 1 is also a point that we can put on our graph. What about x equals 0? F of 0 is the square root of 0 cubed. And the square root of 0 is just 0, so this is 0 cubed, which is also 0. Which means that 0, 0 is a point that we can put on our graph. Now if we continue this process of finding more and more points that lie in our graph, eventually we'll have enough points that we can get a picture of what the graph looks like. So we now have the graph of x to the 3 halves.